593.
10-4.
That's so weird. That's like something out of a movie.
Like The Purge?
Yeah.
Keep watching the videos.
Alright.
Well, in the meantime, I found out that that building that it's next to is the building that houses all the hard lines for phones throughout the southeast.
Makes sense. Good spot to put a bomb.
Take a ride up on
What?
Take the ride on the 5th. Is what that said.
$415.
415.
We do not need fire on standby at this time.
Alright.
Fire medical down here went off. Fire medical signal 10. Woo. Central ASAP. Oh, good. 423, I got 421 with me. One south there. Command, I need all resources out on this call. Check in with your 10-4 ASAP. 423, I'm 424. Command, I want a roll call of all central personnel ASAP, starting with 11.
411, I'm 10-4.
15-4. Where y'all need us? On the second and Broadway. Closed until a roll call is completed.
Dispatch the command. I believe you have everyone except for 425.
425.
Direct.
226. You got my phone coming to you. Where do you need us? Hey, and second and Broad. Second and Broad. Command to 425. Are you 10-4?
He's in 4.
Are you guys okay?
Correct.
No, I guess.
Where's your car?
How you doing?
Okay, go to your car. What's going on?
213. Myself and 215 are all going around.
I got 213 and 215 around. Who else is in route? I missed the first one. 221. Yeah, I don't. Direct.
The 21 call the ball. 515 Charles coming in. 113 Charles is central on that round. 410 good on this weekly.
Well, it is dispatch. Full fire. The best way to cut through. There's going to be a wrong way down second from Union.
Command all units. We're here in secondary. There could be ammunition inside the vehicle. Do not get in the open. Do not get out in the open on 2nd Avenue.
423. You're going to have to 9.
Stay under cover. We have possible secondary for ammo.
We're hearing secondary classes. Please are ammunition either in an RV or in another vehicle close by.
Get that ammunition now. Let them know. Command, make sure all units are direct. There may be ammo in that vehicle. We don't need anybody coming up the 2nd Avenue exposed.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Boy 44, we need a 47 at 2nd and Broadway for an officer that has hearing loss in his left ear.
Dispatch that unit. Please repeat.
Yeah.
White perimeter. 213 Charles on Central. You have about all the east cars in that 2nd and Broadway. Where do you need us?
11 to dispatch. If you can start setting up officers, we appreciate it.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Command. Just get Frank out as far as we can. Get some officers over on 3rd Avenue, blocking off all the secondaries. Over on 1st Avenue. Get it out as far as we can. Get some up on the north side of us on 2nd Avenue here.
Hey, y'all gotta go that way. That way. Keep going.
What happened?
Mary 71, I'm
Not
at
yet.
3rd and Commerce block.
Seriously, no, keep going.
Okay, you know we lived here, right?
I would keep going.
Should do that. Okay.
416 Adam. I'm on 5th.
Hey, man. Hey. Go that way, man.
Sorry,
You're good. You just go that way.
I'm managing this.
Dude, trust me, go that way. Please.
I saw it go off this morning.
I know it. Keep going that way.
Yeah,
As far as y'all can.
Pardon? Do you know what it was offhand?
Not exactly.
It was pretty big. It was a pretty big fireball. It was right on top of it. It was right on top of here. It was a pretty big fireball.
Yeah, it was. Just keep going.
Okay.
I appreciate it, guys. Keep going though.
Oh, yeah.
221, I'm at 4th and Church. Last shot it over here by Printer's Alley. I think I'm outside of it right now, but I'm blocking at 4th and Church. Charles set up at Union and 2nd. 113 Charles, I'm at 3rd Avenue North and Union Street.